and shallow and deep contour. Four depth shades. Open the Chart Options panel. To activate the 4 depth shades, select the respective checkbox, and confirm. With Apply. Shallow contour. To define the shallow contour, click on the respective numerical field, and enter the required value. The shallow contour is set by the mariner, and used by the ICTIS, to distinguish between medium shallow, and very shallow waters on the display. Deep contour. To define the deep contour, click on the respective numerical field, and enter the required value. The deep contour is set by the mariner, and used by the ICTIS, to distinguish between medium deep, and deep waters on the display. Note: if the deep contour is set lower than the safety contour, the latter will be set to the same value. Shallow patterns. The navigator can highlight areas that require special care during the voyage. To do this, select the Shallow Pattern checkbox. Grid lines will be added to shallow waters.